Welcome to my science club, where curiosity turns into cool science magic.
Hey there! Welcome back to my junior science club. Today we're doing a fun science experiment called burning candle rising water experiment. It's super fun and very easy, so let's get started. For this experiment, we need colored water, a couple of candles, a lighter, and a glass. It should be dry. Now I'm going to light the candles and cover the glass over it. Watch carefully and see what happens. What do you think is going to happen to the water? Let's find out. Time for some action. Woohoo! The water rises up. Now let's take a look at the science behind this experiment.
Hey there! Let's dive right into this explainer on the classic burning candle and rising water experiment. So what's the big mystery? Why exactly did the water just magically rise into that glass?
Well, inside that flipped glass, our burning candle is basically acting like a tiny little heater.
And warm air expands. You might have even seen bubbles sneaking out under the edge.
Right. So while that's happening, the flame is rapidly gobbling up all that trapped oxygen. Eventually, there's just no oxygen left, so the flame totally chokes and goes out. Boom! Heat source gone. Suddenly, the remaining air inside the glass cools down super fast.
Now, cooling air shrinks. It takes up way less space, meaning internal air pressure totally plummets.
But here's the crazy twist. The atmospheric pressure outside the glass stays super strong.
That heavy outside air literally shoves the surrounding water straight up into the glass.
And the water keeps rising up until the inside and outside air pressures are perfectly balanced again.
So, totally forget the myth. The candle didn't pull the water in, air pressure pushed it. Quick recap. Air expands, flame dies, cooling drops the pressure, and outside pressure pushes the water. Atmospheric pressure did all the heavy lifting. What other invisible forces are pushing on you right now?